Salut pour tous, je suis le bienvenu dans le programme Planète Équitable avec Ed Zanetti. We are discussing the environmental asset of biodiversity. We learned that there are three main aspects involving the strategic use of biodiversity in a territory. The first one is its capacity of produce goods for the society. So biodiversity has the capacity to produce grains, fibers, proteins, and oils for our society. The second aspect is the high expression, the expression of a high genetic quality that some individuals have in nature or in cultivation. So this will be a second factor on a strategic approach to biodiversity in a territory. And finally, the third will be the rarity. So endangered, threatened species, they also need some strategic management over the territory. And we learned that in 99.99% of times, the biodiversity in tropics is of common species. If we are talking about common species, we are addressing the first aspect of biodiversity, which means to promote its use. When we are talking about common species, to promote its use in order to generate goods for the society, generate grains, fibers, oils and proteins, which will dress, move, feed and shelter humanity. So for the tropics, it is essential to promote the use of biodiversity in order to produce those goods for the society. So instead of having large, huge preservation or conservation areas, we need people, we need industry at those areas in order to process this biodiversity, promote its productivity. That is the key for tropical countries to approach strategically their biodiversity. 99% of the cases we have common species. So in 99.9% of times, the best strategy to use this biodiversity is to increase the presence of humans and to increase the presence of an industry which will promote, enhance the productivity of this biodiversity in order to generate benefits for our society and our economy while keeping this biodiversity alive. So the main reason for it to exist is its productivity capacity. And on our next episodes, we will start talking about how to approach the rare species. Follow us to learn more. Let God's peace and the love that builds be our weapons on our daily struggle for justice. Ed Zanetti for tous les amis africains.